Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a 2-year follow-up on the Toms Alpargata shoes in the Bonsai Green color, which I've been wearing around the house for about 2 years now. Then we're actually going to be doing an unboxing and review of the same exact shoes in the black recycled cotton color. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing either of these, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are the Toms Alpargata shoes in the Bonsai Green color. I've had these for about 2 years. We'll go over these first and then we'll review these, which are the black recycled cotton canvas version of these. But as far as the Bonsai Green, I did do an unboxing on these about 2 years ago. I've been wearing these pretty much around the house, basically in the apartment, and then if I really just walk out and bring trash out, that's the extent of it. I haven't been wearing them out and about, kind of like when going out and driving and stuff. But this is what they look like after 2 years of use. This is the green color. It's got this canvas color with kind of like a striped canvas design. It says Toms on the back. Has a black sole there. Basically, there's coming in some general discoloration of the shoe. Could probably be washed and cleaned up a little bit. And then there's not much wear or tear on the bottom of the sole. On this side here, on the right toe area, there is some wear on the surface there where it's worn through the outer surface but not through the inner canvas. I'm not entirely sure why that's the case, but it must be something I'm doing as far as behavioral or whatever. And then the insoles here, the insoles are in place. There's a little bit of wear along the bottom there, discoloration. For these shoes, I've always worn them barefoot, not without socks, unless it's like winter time period. But they've held up pretty well for 2 years of use indoors only and kind of like walking outside just to bring trash and stuff. But that's what they look like after 2 years of use, just with minimal use. So that's that. And then what we'll do is we'll unbox these. So these are the black recycled cotton canvas version. On Amazon currently they're priced at $50. However, with Prime days or Prime sale recently, I think I got these for about 30 bucks. So I took advantage of the sale to kind of purchase a new pair. As far as the box, nothing special, says Toms. And then this is the shoe itself. And so I don't know what the insert is here. It's just a sticker, basically. But these are the shoes. So they basically are canvas design, virtually identical to the other version. So this is what it looks like after routine use and wear. It kind of gets a little bit softer and breaks in from that standpoint. But overall, it's like a sturdy canvas throughout. It says Toms here. It says Toms in the back. I think all their labeling is always this blue and white Toms, which is a nice appearance there. But it's a nice canvas design from that standpoint. Bottom of the sole is virtually identical. We'll show a side-by-side comparison so you can see. So if you look at this, there's a little bit of wear on the back heel area here, but nothing drastic beyond that. But it's like a soft, pliable sole there. It does have a lot of texture and grip, so it's very comfortable from that standpoint. They do provide inserts to support this. And then the insole here. This is what it looks like when it's brand new versus when after 2 years of use. So a little bit of wear, that sort of thing, and then discoloration or like loss of this emblem here. As far as sizing, I wear a 10.5 usually, and I size this one for 10.5. I've not had any issues as far as sizing. My toe comes up to the front here, and it works really well from that standpoint. For some of you, you might want to go size down depending on your foot fit, but I feel like these are true to size from that standpoint. Beyond that, one other thing that Toms does is they do generally donate one shoe to like like some sort of like area when you purchase these shoes, or at least they've done that historically, so I always like that with this company. But this is what the black recycled cotton look like. They've got a wide variety of color options on Amazon. You can check out the links below, but they've got a black one with a black sole. They've got navy, red, white, brown, tan, bunch of different options. But usually this is priced around like $30 to $40, sometimes $50. I probably wouldn't pay $50 for this, but when it's at a lower price point at like $30, that's when I end up buying it, and that's when I purchased it here. So that's what they look like out of the box. Now I'll throw on both pairs just so you can see what they look like on my feet. Okay, so we'll throw on the Bonsai Green ones. For these, it's just really a slip-on shoe, so your feet can slide really easily into this without any issues. And so I like them from that standpoint for having them around the house when I want to throw on a pair of like slipper type shoes. But this was what it looks like from the front. the side, the back, and the other side, okay? So very comfortable, very pliable. For a minimalist shoe, it works really well. I wear minimalist shoes for everything, so it's nice to have for slipper shoes type of things, or slip-ons. You can wear these out and about, but as you can see, there is gonna be some wear and tear if you like scuff on like concrete or anything like that. So I generally just wear them inside, but they're very pliable, very comfortable, and they are a great all-around shoe for kind of like the price point of like $20 to $30 depending on what you purchase them for. So that's the Bonsai Green ones. These are the new ones, so we'll throw these on. And so these are a little bit stiffer as far as the canvas, more support when you initially put them on because they're newer. However, they still slip on without issues. And so this is what it looks like from the front, the side, the back, and then the other side. As far as like comfort, my toes about here, so plenty of space here. If I went at size 10, it'd probably be tight because my toes here are pretty much against the canvas already. That's both on both shoes, so true to size 10.5 as far as fit. And they are flexible and pliable. They do have to break in a little bit, but I mean, as you can tell, these are very pliable canvas shoes that are comfortable right out the bat. I see no issues with them, and really I purchased them because I've liked these ones so much. So that's all I have for this video. These are the Toms Alpargata. You can follow the links below to look at the different color options. I would recommend trying to track them down on Amazon when they're at a lower price, not $50, but usually you can get them for about $30, which I think is a great price for this shoe. For an indoor shoe, it's worked out very, very well. So thank you for watching, and if you have questions, please post them below.